What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick crazy cool Rustoleum colors, pearls and flakes, all kinds of stuff. We spray it out to create new colors, and then we decide, do we love it, do we hate it? 1, you don't really care for it. All the way up to 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you can rate it anywhere in between. I got 2 colors today. We're going to two-tone this fender behind me. The first color we're going to use is Satin Oasis Blue. Now, I've used it on the channel before. It's a really cool tropical looking baby blue color, and I think it'll go great with the pearl I'm picking out today. Well, then we also have a newcomer, a Rustoleum color I haven't sprayed yet on the channel, and I'm curious to see what it's going to look like. We got Caramel Satin Rustoleum paint. That's right, caramel, guys. So it's kind of a brownish color, and I know what you're thinking. What color could you possibly throw over that to make it look cool? Well, a really popular pearl that we've used a bunch on the channel that everybody seems to love is the Champagne Colorshift. It shifts from bronze to gold to browns to pinks to all kinds of weird different combinations depending on what colors you spray it over. So I thought it'd be a good contrast between the caramel and the Oasis Blue, and it might be something cool. And that's what we're all about on this channel, trying new interesting things and seeing what we get. So without further ado, let's get the two-tone on this fender behind me with some Rustoleum, and let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our Rustoleum two-tone going on. That caramel and that blue is a pretty cool contrast. Today I'm using my Speedo Coat Clear. As you guys know, mix is 4-to-1, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. This is medium temp. It's about 75 degrees out, so it's a nice brisk day out. And I'm going to put about 1 ounce of hardener in this 4-ounce container. And obviously we're going to use Champagne Colorshift. This is a really cool pearl. I've used it a lot on the channel. And I ended up buying a second set just so I could use it even more. But like I said, it shifts from yellow to gold to brown, a little bit of everything, guys. You just have to see it when we get done with it. But as far as load, let's see, there's about a 3-gram jar. There's about, I don't know, about 1.5 grams left. So let's put about half a gram in it to this 4-ounce, well, 5 ounce with the activator mix. So that'll be half a gram to 5 ounces of clear and shoot it over this test fender. So put a little bit in there, and let's mix it up real quick, and I'll bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so you've probably seen it before, but this is Champagne Colorshift. It shifts from pink to gold, all kinds of mess. It's pretty cool in the mix. It is a solid pearl, so you kind of see it right away in the mix. But yeah, I'm excited to see what this is going to do over top of these 2 interesting colors. So let's load up the paint gun real quick and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my pearls all loaded up in my V-bore gun, 1.4 tip. We shoot at 28 psi wide upper trigger. If you guys want to replicate the settings, I'm going to put a light coat on first just to introduce everything together, make sure I don't get no reactions, and then we'll probably do another 2 or 3 coats. And until we get a really cool crazy effect, we'll take it out in the sun and I'll let you guys see it. So I'm going to put my mask on and get to spraying. Alright guys, so this is a spray out today. Oasis Blue and Satin Caramel with a really cool champagne color shift over top. Now, as you've seen, take it out in the light, it shifts from pinks to golds to a little bit of everything. It's a very cool color shift pro in my opinion, but ultimately, it ain't up to me guys, it's up to you. I want you guys to rate these colors. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. Well, if you want to buy anything you saw today, the pearls, the clear, the paint gun, anything guys, links below, takes you to my Amazon page. Just click As Seen on YouTube. I get a small kickback. It goes to help the channel, but it costs you guys nothing extra. And if you buy anything, you get all the benefits of Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. So it's a great deal. If you made it this far in the video, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss an episode, and obviously drop me a like and comment. Let me know what you thought of today's spray outs and how I'm doing with everything. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and you can also leave me a comment down below if you want to see a certain spray out on the channel that we haven't already done. I think we're up to almost 50 episodes of Rustoleum Custom Mix now, so there's tons of content out there for you guys to watch. If you want to go back and check out any of my other videos, it's much appreciated. And yeah guys, that's going to be it for me today. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you'll like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. God bless, and I'm out.